Hello from EPCOT.
You notice that we don't have a mask on? So great. You have to wear a mask on rides and inside the building. But that's
In the
it.
queue.
In the queue, yeah. So it's really cool to just walk around, see everyone's smiling face.
It's weird to see people's faces.
I know. And now you can't make ugly faces under your mask.
I mean, no.
But you know, the one thing I've been thinking of lately is when we lived in Italy.
Some
And
gelato.
I know. And
Especially
speaking
now
of,
for this summer.
they just opened up a Gelateria. Is that how you say it?
I believe so.
Maybe not. I don't know.
But here in Italy, so we're actually in Italy in EPCOT.
Yes. And we're going to go try some gelato for the first time in forever. Literally. Because,
In years, actually.
yeah. Because we left Italy in 2009.
Eee, we're old.
Yeah. So I'm just excited about the new gelato store and getting some gelato.
Yes. And we're just kind of check out. We have no plans.
No.
So we'll just see what else we can find for you guys. Let you know new things.
Flower Garden's
updated
still going.
things. Yep. Food and Wine does not start until July 16th.
Yeah. Someone's anniversary is that day.
I don't know.
I don't either.
They've been married for like 20 years.
Practically.
Feels like it.
But guys, thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
Hi, welcome if you are new. If you're an oldie, fam bam, and a goodie, hello. Thank you for staying with us.
Yes, thank you
We
so much.
love you.
So don't forget to like, comment, share,
Subscribe.
hit the bell notification. We're
Yes.
so excited, guys.
Help us hit our next goal, please.
We're getting so close. And we do have a special announcement coming up.
Maybe?
Maybe. I don't know. Who knows?
even know.
She doesn't even know.
I have no idea what's going on.
That's why I have a Mama Don't Know account.
What?
Bye, guys. So, if you guys don't remember, when we went to Disney Springs, we showed this line. But look at this pillow. The pillow's amazing. They have the Loungefly bag. It's pretty cool. They have this other handbag. And we found another shirt. This line is really, really cool. Look at this little dress. It's really nice. One cool summer. I would love to know where one cool summer is, because here in Florida it's already 90 degrees. And they have this little blanket. So we don't do a lot of update videos, but we're over here at EPCOT. And looks like they're getting ready, slowly getting everything in place. Looks pretty impressive. Kind of excited for it.
The only thing that concerns me is how big it is. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah. Well, and you kind of like where that circle is, like right there. It's not a 360 view, so you have to be in front of it to be able to see it.
Depends on how they have it.
And that's what those screens are for. So, I don't know. Opening soon near you. Maybe? Alright, so Amber got the pistachio. Sorry if it's a little noisy. We're by the
Pistachio cup.
yeah, it's just the pistachio cup. I don't even know how to pronounce it, but I'm going to put the name of it down below. But it is basically cookies and cream. Now, when we lived in Italy, this water was amazing. You got to get in still. It does come in sparkling, but the still is oh so good. So story time. We get to Italy and we go into, I was stationed in Naples, so we went out in town and just walked around, and we came across some ice cream because it was hot. And so we didn't know that much Italian, and so I pointed to whatever I wanted. Amber did the same. We walked around. It was amazing. It was amazing. This hit the spot. I would come here again multiple
Those
times. I would definitely hit the spot.
How much is it?
For the 2 ice creams and the waters, it was $24. So it's not cheap, but
Worth it.
definitely worth it. It is more creamier than I remember. So you feel like the cream stick on the top of your tongue, on top of your mouth. But it's, I'd eat it again.
What'd you get?
Got the beef tips from Canada. So I remember last time I got Amber when they had beef bouillon over in France. I pretty much ate all of hers. So I learned, and I got 2.
What are these?
Beef. So it's beef tip with carrots and mashed taters.
Try it.
Has mushrooms too. Wow, that's good.
Is it?
Yeah, I'm not sharing. No, it's really good. So Miss Amber, how do you like it?
I'm not a big fan. I like the mashed potatoes and the carrots. I think it's a sauce though.
The sauce is good.
I don't know why. I don't like it.
So guys, it's come to an end.
We're not in the car.
No, we just left the park. We are done for the day.
It's pretty humid out here. They said it's between 95 and 100 degrees plus humidity.
Plus the cement.
Yeah, we're taking it easy. Just came in real quick. Wanted to get some ice cream, show you all the new stuff.
Yes, the gelato was amazing.
It was really good. I recommend it. It was a little expensive, but it's good.
Yeah, it is. I don't know. I'm kind of torn on the price just because is it really worth it? But
For
then I
2
remember
scoops, yeah.
we spent like 11 euro over in Italy.
Well,
we got more
remember.
but we got more ice cream. Disney.
You can get a waffle cone.
You could probably maybe more. I don't know. But guys, it was a lot of fun.
Yeah, we haven't been to EPCOT in a while.
No. But if
Flower
you
and Garden will last all the way up until July 15th because the 16th is when the Food and Wine Festival starts.
yeah, and no news yet if they're going to be doing the Eat to the Beat. I really hope they bring that back.
Yeah, there's a lot of things that are changing, and you gotta wait till like the day of and you find out stuff. So
Yeah.
keep an eye out.
Definitely. But if you made it this far, guys, thank you so much for stopping by. Clicking on that link.
Drink lots of water, please.
Yes.
Please drink
Yes.
lots of water.
Yeah, and remember, you can stop at any place, any like food stand or whatever, and get a free glass of water for the most part. But guys, thank you so much, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.